One of the superpowers of highly sensitive people is that when we learn from someone, we don't just learn the theories, we don't just learn what they say by words. We actually learn just by observing them. We already can sense their energy, their embodiment. And when we learn, for example, imagine that we want to learn from someone about abundance, about their relationship with money. Just by us observing them, we actually subconsciously already learn a lot because we already get the nuances of how their energy feels like. And then by our capacity to read the, by our capacity to empathize, like by our capacity to read their energies, we are already learning a lot from their embodiment just by observing them. So our high sensitivity is often seen as something troublesome because we often feel so much. But then it's actually a superpower that helps us learn a lot in a very fast way. So when many people they go to a mentor, they go to a teacher, they listen to them and then they try to memorize things. And only by practice that they will eventually embody what they want to learn. But we have a super fast way of learning that just by us being exposed to different people, we already learn from their embodiment without even having much interaction, without even speaking with each other. And well, there is like this is an advantage, but then we also sometimes would have to be careful then who we are really exposing ourselves to frequently because just as we learn from their gifts, from the positive embodiments, we might also accidentally learn from the negative embodiments. Like, for example, if someone has fearful relationship with money, even like when we talk to them, if we could feel the fear through our capacity for empathy, we might end up absorbing that kind of energy, as in we understand it subconsciously and then we incorporate it accidentally. So yeah, it's important to be aware of our gifts so that we could use it to improve our life the best way possible.